Dinosaur track car. Can be doodled on to add more fun. Free DIY. The cylindrical shape can be rolled into arcs, cardboard slots to create 3D shapes. New locking track connectors for a more secure setup. 2 different types of connector interfaces. One-click start, dazzling lights that shine brightly. Dinosaur-shaped cars freely travel along the tracks, with lightning-fast speed, like a flash on the racetrack. Experience the thrill of a roller coaster-like excitement? "3D dinosaur figurines that are lively and interesting." Three sizes to choose from, freely connect and unleash creativity. Cultivate spatial awareness. Endless fun.